Siunissa, if you want it, piumauit, ay mittoiroissuusin. Hey yo, good morning. It's a very good morning to wake up to. My YouTube channel, and we got 100 subscribers. It's been one hell of a grind to get to 100. No, that could significant. Hey, I want 100 subscribers. Tamaat efter 4 måneder cirka. Pausen det går eqqaasassaqarpunga and akhuti allaqtilainartoq got 100. I jinx it. Imatu oqaatingeriarakku anniseriarakku. Imaasinaasnoorimu appaqquttit. I hope you don't. I hope you stay because I have a lot more to show you. No, suliartungilaata. Gotta get that workout. And to be honest, it's not the greatest day. It's gonna be the greatest day ever. No Pancake Thursday, you already know that. Chests, abs, steady. Hardcore late days, hardcore all damn dedicated workouts. And another thing, I don't want to vlog it as in I got one question. What would you do if you could do it all the time? What? It comes from within. I have a reason. There's a reason behind it. There's purpose. Purpose. Like, I want to make a difference. Because what's the ultimate form of making a difference? That's insane. Like, to change 7 billion lives. That's insane. But there's a reason, there's a purpose behind it. So, motivation is so good. No, but it doesn't really capo. And it's amazing. Well, I don't need guitar, but I'm good at storytelling. I'm good at editing. That could be coffee. And I never give up. And it never got to me. And just doesn't only go on my it never got to me. I didn't go after because it's left only go by my son. It never got to me because I'm forever grateful that I get to do this. I'm forever grateful. Alright. Things are getting deep here on this channel. Workout. Now it's time for the real breakfast. Okay. The teaming is on to the Gisame. Before I go, du samalluun Facebook ikuingerlarpalut taanna Philip musikvideo dia and famtani de qammerpe mal famtani like he's just a kid. Tupallaqqayaqaanga qanersoona how much he had qamangaannersimanersuut Jesus fucking Christ. Philip nerwaising nartarnerati ukuvlogiliakka or anything kisayungila, but that's not the point. Philip, you're amazing. Misinaqasisnaakit uhuna nak angayoqakkua ikiarornayorortut wa pilluarlungi nuungamassakku pillornerparpaallungi nuungamassakku heldiusut misi тассами ва имаруттун перуаартарпунга таулу укиупинgasukkaarlungi имма иллоқарфитаарсертарникуакка тааниллакамматтаартарлуга анна имаруттун перуаартарпунга анаана инуунерассаарникорсуунгиллаама перуаарторнаа it's not all that great кисианни тассаматунгатуумисигиннеқатигерсуатаарпаккит and I really hope if you qaangersinnaauki taamaattut annisitaasornikuunga ataatanningaani nalulluunusmungarfisseqarnerlua and Philip taamatut annis misiingui taamatut annissuisaraarlutit do more taamatut anarsuutitungaatigun annissuinerat ajunginnerpaamik sanasinnaakku nerippuunsuli amerlanersanasinnaassasutit and it's really great torhaqaartaamatut suliatit taalu aningorsinnaakit massakkulluagittamiingerlallutit if tunniutinangikku ukiuna qulini fantanani inuunerat naluarsumissaaluarnerso kisiasorluttakorloorsinnaaleerpaa ajungittoriussoormik massakkumingaaniingerlatissasutit inuunerat akiussaaffillutiungaartuaalarukkit because that's kind of what happened to me wainuuner tinguakku nammina akiussaafiginerlunga and it got way better tassama ta Philippi torhaqa suliat keep going bliv ved tamatuaqorfisinaak naruaisinginnaartarneratik kisianni nerippuammi nuusuttut nalungilaa inuusuttorparparpassiumaani nunatsinni atungarliortoriussuusartuilaa imarajuttuni ingammi kiaroruttuni maaninnulatsit peraartussalluni maanuunerparsuunangila soornami ataasiakkaangoaqarpo heldiusut misiumua anaanaqarsimaama ajungittorsuarmik asannittumik ukiutiivat pilliutingivai uannut perorsarniarlua naak ajortumi ingerlasim naangaluarluni ajortuni appaqartaraluarluni tunniutiinningisaarnermat so siunissaq if you want it piumaguit ajungittoriorussuusinnaaru piumaguit you just got to put in the work. Philip put in the work. Look what he got. That is it for today's vlog. Fuck. So the lesson for today, lessons small lessons for today. The guaput Philip pitanna repidiadnuta Facebook I'm not doing this I'm really kisen oqaartuutaappaasisinnaallorpaa I'm tekusinnaarput na credititinnerparsungikkaloortu kisian oqaartuutaarsaattorissuugu tamamma that's why it's popping. It's emotions, it's real, it's hurt, it's pain, it's terrible, it's good, it's wonderful, and that's why it's so popping. So another lesson you're never too young. If you're good, you're good. If you're good enough. Hey, I'm good enough. We'll decide if you're good enough. If you're good enough, pitanguit, chadenteqaruit, mistukunok, ayungayumarput. So that's another lesson for today. Qonarsusinarsinnaavit ungikillissimaavit arlani kommentaarni allaniarna nerippualu paasiseqalaarsimassasutit ullumikku pisimasuni aamma pisuqaaluppo Filippi ingерллуорнissaanермассорсуақissa kissaappara. So taamaallut vlogin nakkasersinnaangerparput qonarsusinnaarsinnaavit vlogit allissaannikapikkumaarpun. Huppa.